This was a trial. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstay my satisfaction. Arbitrary science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except to wonder we're dead. But there's no sense crying every mistake. We'll just keep on trying till the never the cake. And the science gets done. You don't make a need gun for the people who are still alive. I'm not even angry. I've been so sincere right now. Even though you broke my heart, me and tore me to pieces, and threw every piece into a fire. As they burned it hurt because I was so happy for you. Now this point of data make a beautiful life. When you're out of beta, we release in no time. So I'm glad I got burned, thinking all the things we learned for the people who are still alive. Go ahead and leave me. I think I prefer to stay inside. Maybe you'll find someone else to help you. Maybe Black Mesa. That was a joke, haha, factions. Anyway, this cake is great. It's so delicious and moist. Look at me still talking when there's science to do. When I'm look art that way makes me glad to know you. Every experiment's to run, there are reasons to be done on the people who are